Hello everybody, it's AJ. I'm here to let you guys know that my new flip home is now ready and available for sale. Okay, so I'm gonna get straight to the point. I am offering a $1,000 referral fee to anybody who is able to refer somebody to the house to buy. If your referral person actually buys the home, they will get $1,000 cash from me and my company, okay? Also, for all the realtors out there, I'm offering a full 6% commission, okay? If you can find a buyer between now, which is, what's today's date? August 31st and September 27th, if you can find a buyer for this home and they must close on the house between now and September 27th, I am offering a full 6% commission. The price of this house is $290,000 and the address is 235 Carpenter Avenue, Newburgh, New York. Let me walk you through the house. Here we go. So, as we enter, we have the hallway. You have the beautiful lights right here, okay? And then we go through this part right here. You have the beautiful dining. This is the living room, actually, the living room area. You have the beautiful lights in the ceiling, okay? You have the beautiful lights right here. And look, get a picture of these floors. Beautiful, beautiful hardwood floors, original. We did a beautiful stain on the floors, okay? We give a beautiful shiny material, all right? And as we walk through the other side of the house here, you're going to see the dining room. This is the dining area. Have beautiful lights within the ceiling. And what we did also, we opened up the kitchen. All right, we gave it a beautiful open kitchen concept, okay? Look how it flows directly into the kitchen. You see how the floor starts to separate here, so you can put a nice island right here if you like. So you have the beautiful parquet floors going into our beautiful laminate floors, our tile floors right here. And here's the kitchen. You have beautiful white countertops here, emer stone countertops, and you also have beautiful white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You have the beautiful backsplash right here, okay? Wonderful sink, also stainless steel. You have your dishwasher right here. You also have the beautiful microwave that is mounted. And you have a beautiful refrigerator as well. Nice size. Okay? Double doors refrigerator, as you can see. Now, as I take you here to the bonus room, this is a 4-bedroom house with a bonus room. As we enter, okay, so you can make this whatever you want. You can make it a little studio room. You can make it office space here. All right. Let's get the beautiful floors down here. And as we're passing through this way, we want to take you guys upstairs to where the bedrooms are. As we're downstairs, there's another closet right here. There was also a closet in the back too. These stairs are spanking brand new. We built these from scratch. All right? Beautiful wooden stairs. Let's go into the bedroom, shall we? So here we have one of the bedrooms with our beautiful chocolate floors at the bottom. Big closet space, double doors, okay? Lights in the ceiling. And also keep in mind that this house is central air, okay? It's central heat and central air conditioning. So there's no boiler, and also there is no oil tank. Everything is through a furnace, okay? So if you want it cold in the house, you go to the thermostat, set it on cold. If you want it hot in the house, go to the thermostat, put it on heat, and it goes throughout the entire home. All right, here we go. We have another bedroom here, which is also a large size. All of the bedrooms are huge and have a big closet space as well. This also has the chocolate floors as well. Beautiful lights. Big closet space as well too. You have your ducting system here for your central air unit, as you can see. We're going to go through another room here. There's the next bedroom. This is also a nice size too, pretty big. And you got very huge closet space in this room. As you look into the closet, it goes all the way from this end to that. All right, let's go to the next room. You have the master bedroom, which is the largest bedroom in the house, okay? Also have the chocolate floors. If we start this end all the way back here, you can get a visual of how big this room is, but it's even bigger when you see it in person. Okay? Nice sized room. Then also, you have the closet space here that also has a light in the closet. The closet is so huge, I'm in it right now. I'm literally standing in the closet, and I have plenty of room back here. Let's get a closer look of where the closet stretches. From that end, we'll come all the way around. This is all closet to that. Okay? Okay, now we are upstairs where the master bathroom is. Check it out. As we go in, you're going to see the beautiful tile work. Okay, and you can see the beautiful backsplash on the wall as well. And you have the area where you can put your soap, your shampoo, all your belongings inside the shower itself. You have a beautiful shower head. Give it that beautiful marble effect. And also check out the beautiful floors. We have a beautiful sink here as well. There's a wonderful sink cabinet. And then also, inside the bathroom, we also have the linen closet. Most linen closets are on the outside of the bathroom, but this particular bathroom, the linen closet is on the inside. And then here you have the beautiful mirror. This is the vanity mirror, and you have the light as well. And also, not only is there a linen closet on the inside of the bathroom, but there's another linen closet on the outside of the bathroom where you can put your towels and all of your belongings as well too. Okay. Okay, so now we are inside of my little small bathroom here, okay, my half bath. So what we did is took this entire bathroom and we gave it a spa feel to it. So what you're actually looking at right now is not a wall, but it's actually the shower itself. Check it out. It's a beautiful stand-up shower, okay? This is the beautiful shower wall. We gave it a beautiful stone effect. Here's the shower head. And if you look down at the bottom here, check out this beautiful floor of the shower. Very nice. And then we have the floors here in the bathroom. So also to give it a beautiful spa effect as well too. And that's it, you guys. This is my beautiful shower. Okay, my beautiful half bath. Check us out. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And just to reiterate that I am paying a $1,000 referral fee to anyone that can find me a buyer for this home, 235 Carpenter Avenue, Newburgh, New York, 12550. Also, I am paying a full 6% commission to any realtor that can also find me a buyer for the home as well too. Okay, and my contact information is 718-414-4778. That is my line. Feel free to call or text me at that number. Enjoy the home.